Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks, and today we're looking at a lock by Trekmaster30 called ShimIT. ShimIT. Here is the bidding. Nothing too extraordinary. As you can see, it's been picked, so we're going to try to pick her again, shall we? So I am going to zoom in though real quick. There we go. Ah, shoot. I'm sorry. Let's do a little bit closer zoom. There we go. Ooh, nice big false set there now. Oops. Oop. So while I was waiting for something to load up to YouTube today, I worked on picking this about 4 or 5 times, and I thought I had it there, but all right, start afresh. Start anew. Oops. Nice big false set there now. Oh, a bigger false set. And there we go. Sweet. We got her. Nice. Okay, well, let's back this up and take this out of here. Move this out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. And now I just need to find my pinning tray. Huh. Well, I don't know where it is. That's alright. We will go ahead and use this one right here. So, oh, here it is. Sorry, I found it. Here we go. Hope this tool works. Oh, it doesn't. There we go. There we go. There we go. And ShimIT. You know, I wanted to say this joke for a long time. Anyone know the Gonzaga basketball team? And a couple years ago, they had a player on there. His name was ShimIT Karnowski. I've always wanted to say that, but I just never have. So anyway, that's my little joke. ShimIT Karnowski. Ha ha ha. So stupid. All right. Anyway. Really nice Very nice pin there, man. That's beautiful. And again, all Trekmaster30 stuff is pretty off the hook, so. Alright, and in the core here, it looks like we have threading in 1, 2, and 3, and I don't know. I think that's it. Yep, threading in 1, 2, and 3. Nice. So, let's see what we have in the Bible, shall we? Nice. It's like serrated spool. Nice. Looks like the springs are the same here as well. And some beautiful springs here, dude. Nice. Nice stuff. Oh, this is a goofy bugger. Way goofy. Yeah, I figured that. Oop. Oh, nice pin and pin. A nice long pin and pin. The wafer. Spring. And there's another spring. Alright, so in the Bible, looks like there's been no modifications in the Bible. So let's do a super zoom here. So here we have a serration with a spool with some serrations, serrated again. Actually, it's more like with a T-pin, I should say. This is a spool with a T-pin and a serration on that one. And we have a serration with a spool and another serration with a beveled spool and a serration, like a T-pin-esque spool, serration spool. This is a pen and pin with a really goofy pen and pin. You know, this is probably a pen and pin here too. Let me see. Yep, this is also a pen and pin with a ball on it. So really nice job on that one. So 2 pin and pins on this one. So anyway, this again comes to us from Trekmaster30. It's called ShimIT. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.